Hello guys, today I'm going to show you
A Ryzen CPU
Ryzen CPU
5
5
7600.
7600.
And it comes with a cooler itself. Let's see the cooler. What cooler?
Is Bloomkey.
Yeah, let's show the size.
How's a charger?
It's not a charger. This is a 4-pin connector. It's called 4-pin connector. You see, this is a CPU cooler. Don't touch this. This is a thermal paste. Look, you already got dirty. So guys, don't touch this because this is pre-applied thermal paste,
Yeah.
which is used for contact with the CPU. Alright?
Don't get it off.
And there we have the CPU, and we have a sticker with the Ryzen5, which you gonna stick it on the case when we gonna do the build. And that's it for now. This is the unboxing for the Ryzen5 7600. And say bye bye guys.
Bye bye guys.
See you on the next video.
See you in the next video.
Please like and subscribe
Press like and subscribe
to our channel.
to our channel.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.